For nearly 10 years, we have strived to bring you eco-minded and sustainably sourced products. Now we're back to introduce our latest mind-blowing outdoor tech apparel, the self-healing Whistler Windbreaker. The Whistler Windbreaker is a lightweight, durable windbreaker that will help you be prepared for any adventure. The Whistler features Helotech nylon, a self-healing fabric that resists small punctures, effectively healing itself, so the Whistler can perform like new for years. The Whistler fits into its own pocket, making it compact and easy to take with you anywhere. Zipper pockets keep your personal items secure, perfect for traveling. A waistband pull string helps keep out wind and rain, and with a DWR coating, the Whistler repels water, keeping you dry. The fabric is also breathable and helps you stay cool on the go. With your help, we are able to bring more eco-minded products to the world. Please back and share our project and get blown away with the Whistler Windbreaker.
I might be bear scientist now, but I grew up in the wild, and my biggest complaint? Mosquitoes. I spent most of my free time scratching myself. I couldn't catch salmon. I started drinking heavily. My f***ing wife left me. So I went to science school determined to remedy the situation. And within 1 year I had PhD in mosquito, in the pool. And I invent X-Bite. Hold on, I'm pooping. Okay, I'm done. Allow me to demonstrate incredible invention on my dinner. I mean, my assistant, Steve. Steve! You see how press X into bite and deliver soothing medication at the same time? It's like killing two birds with one amazing new product. I could eat a couple of birds. Steve, bird now! Okay, back to science. X-Bite uses a patented process to press down on the source of the bite with an X-shaped applicator, scientifically proven to displace the potency of mosquito saliva. It reduces the power of the bite and simultaneously delivers a powerful anti-inflammatory cream directly into your itch. In conclusion, I've run out of money, so please send me some, or I'll eat Steve. Don't settle for a product that only does half. X-Bite's patented dual-action process works 2 ways to cure your worst bite fast. Don't eat it, exit. X-Bite.
Hashtag save Steve. I love hammocking, but I often found myself with 30 minutes to kill and hadn't brought my hammock with me. That's why I invented this, the Hammock Backpack. The Hammock Backpack is an innovative combination of two of our favorite outdoor products, the hammock and the backpack.
Nick Scroggs is a student and inventor living in Nanjing, China. In May of 2013, Nick and his friend Fred Bain, a media producer and translator, founded Hackpack with the goal of encouraging urban and casual hammocking on a wider scale.
When Nick came to me with this idea, I thought, great, now I'll never need to worry about where to put my bag while hammocking. Not only that, but it's comfortable and convenient too.
This is our first prototype, and this is our second, and this is our latest prototype. We're still checking out new suppliers and different models, so the one you receive may be slightly different, but the central concept will be the same.
The backpack will be a high-quality product that meets US and European standards. The hammock will be about 9 feet by 5 feet and will support about 350 pounds. So make sure you hook it up to a secure structure, because a small tree or a thin pole is more likely to break than the hammock.
When you get the Hammock Backpack, you'll be ready to hammock out of the bag, with ropes suitable for urban hammocking. For non-urban hammockers, we recommend you invest in a pair of tree straps to be a little more tree-friendly. We'll also include an extra few yards of rope, which can extend your hammock's reach in a pinch.
The hammock takes the place of the ventilation void, which may be a disadvantage for extreme hikers, but I actually appreciate the extra layer of protection that keeps pokey stuff from bothering me, and is actually no different than my laptop bag.
I've been using the first prototype for over a year now with no real problems. During that time, I've thought of a lot of ways to improve on the design. For example, when I first designed it, I didn't have this flap, so the hammock was always spilling out of the sides. So I went to town on this pack with a roll of Velcro, duct tape, cloth, and a sewing machine, and this is what I came up with. You can see the hammock inside. Granted, it looks pretty DIY, but if added during production, it could be done with zippers and original backpack material. As you can see, the backpack rides on the hammock, not the other way around.
We've also got all kinds of ideas for hammock and pack hacks that can be realized in the future, like a concealed rainfly, drink holders, a floating table, and more. The best part about the Hammock Backpack is that when you always have your hammock with you, you can hammock anytime, anywhere.
When you're ready to go, just pack it up. It's easy.
Be sure to pack out what you pack in, and ideally leave the place cleaner than you found it. Living in China and speaking the language, we have access to all kinds of producers. We looked around and found a mom-and-pop backpack factory just outside Nanjing, run by Mr. Tong and his wife.
We're still considering our options on hammocks. We're looking at producers in Ningbo, Hangzhou, and Yancheng, but we won't have time to personally visit these factories until the summer break. We're dedicated to producing a quality product that we would want to use ourselves. So our goal is to raise $6,000 to help fund this first run.
We also have a stretch goal of $10,000 that will greatly reduce the financial burden on us.
We love hammocking, and we want everyone to be able to hammock anytime, anywhere, in the city or in the woods, at a get-together or on your lunch break. Help us make our dream a reality. 再见!